And before we start this reaction video, Cass came up to me and the others. And she said that instead of her typing out this for all of us to say, Cass, stop here blank blank. And then she says okay, and then Lucario and Riolu would say good job master. So instead of her typing all of that out, we are going to say it ourselves, but we're not going to say the number, we are just going to be typing the number after we say the word stop here. Anyways, I hope you all will be alright with that change. See you guys soon.
We can't wait to do this.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Cassie.
Riolu.
And Lucario here.
Today's reaction video is called
Alrighty, now it's our turn. Ready? Luke, Rio?
100% ready. Let's do this.
Now bring on the mayhem. One for the money and two for the show. Make it loud, yeah, that's all that we know. One to the floor, now we out of control. When I move, you move. Everybody, let's go now. We keep it reckless. I'm a big deal, got it hanging on my necklace. It's like boom. We better clap these fools. Show you just what this pickle in the rack can do. Run them up. Now bring on the mayhem.
Boris the Thief Guy's police car meltdown. REUPLOAD. Credit goes to Julian3535 by the way.
Get the off of me, you pigs. Hey, let me the out, you ads.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be held against you in a court of law.
I don't give a why the hell am I in this cop car?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe because you kidnapped and tortured Kalo and Rosie. Now sit your ass down, or you will have more consequences.
Fine piggies. Oink, 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 oink.
Cass, stop here. 032.
Okay.
Good job, master. Yeah. Sit your big butt down, Boris the Teeth Guy.
Me too.
I would have to agree with Lucario and Riolu on what they said.
Boris, stop moving and sit still.
Shut the up. Just face my teeth.
Officer, stop the car for a minute. Let me see your hands.
Hey,
See your hands.
get off me, you
He
gang
has a
bitch.
gun. Gun. Did you get...
Cass, stop here. 055.
Okay.
Good job, master. Whoa. Why would he have a gun? That's dangerous.
My guess is he would probably shoot one of the police officers.
Yep, that would probably be my guess as well.
Yeah. There you go. That will keep your big-ass mouth shut. There you go. That will keep your big-ass mouth shut.
Cass, stop here. 104.
Okay.
Good job, master. OMG. They had to tape his mouth shut. That is hilarious.
I would agree. That is super hilarious. And especially when he was saying the words when his mouth was shut, it sounded funny.
OMC, I would have to agree. That is hilarious indeed.
Hey guys, it's Lucario.
And Riolu here.
So our master is going back to doing her real life voice. So we all know that all of you really liked it when she did her TTS voice. But sometimes when she is feeling better, she will go back to using her real life voice.
I would have to agree with my dad. We all know that sometimes you all like it when our master does her TTS voice. But she's not going to want to do TTS voice all the time. She can only do TTS voice if she is either not feeling good, or just not feeling up to using her real life voice from time to time, and that is when she will use her TTS voice.
Anyways, that's all we have to say. We'll see you all soon.
Hey guys, it's Cassie. So before Lucario and Riolu come out here to do the outro, so I will be using my real life voice, but for future reference, when I'm not feeling good or don't really have any energy to use my real life voice, that is when I will use my TTS voice. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. And remember, don't drive like my brother.
Yeah, don't drive like my brother.
And don't drive like my brother. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We'll see you all in the next video. This is Riolu, my dad and our pal signing off.
And may the aura be with you all.
Wow. This is really helping out a lot. Thank you so much, Molly and Lucario. NP Cass.
NP Master.
And yes, I may have users or the same people help me by listening for what part to pause at, because I may lose my hearing from time to time because sometimes my ears can get clogged and it's hard for me to hear what specific part to pause at.